my name is Aishwarya. Today I will show you how to draw a kinder joy. So this is the things to draw kinder joy. Everyone loves the kinder joy because there is two parts. One part with the toy and another part with the chocolate. So first we will need a paper, some crayons to shape. This is the color pencil, this is the crayons, this is some shades of oil pastel that I have choose to color. we want to take the black color pencil. Also this. There is a coloring. So now I will write the Kinder. We write that INDER in this orange color. So I have write so now I will write the jaws. To write jaw I am taking the pencil. Then I have written the Y, so I will love. Then it has circle C like that. So then I will take my yellow color. I will because it is very hard to written it. Take the brown color pencil. So now it is removed, so now we will cut it. So after cutting, I will color the back one. It looks so much nice. But we also want glue. I forget to take the glue because we are making a paper Kinder Joy. So see, it is cut now. We will do the back one and that the chocolate balls are that. So we want to do a small outline. Now we will do this chocolate balls. So see, there is so small chocolate. So now we will cover it with dots. Because so this is very small dots, chocolate dots. So there I have brown colors and I will put like that plate. So it looks nice. Then I will take the cream color, this yellow. So it is looking nice. Then I will put some chocolate on it. Chocolate. I love chocolate because chocolate is so sweet. So the cream is also so much sweet. It is not looking so much good. So now I will take this chocolate and I will do like this chocolate. Okay, it is looking so much bad, but this is good only. So now I will keep this right there. So now I will go. Hi, my name is Aishwarya. Today I will show you how to draw a Kinder Joy. So this is a Kinder Joy. I have made it From this, I have put this 3D Kinder Joy and I have outlined it. Then I remove the cover of the Kinder Joy. Then I draw logo like that it has, so that I am coloring it. So there is a smiley because I have put there a small smiley. So now I will color the downer part with orange color. So this is, I have made this one. So now I'm doing the smile. So it is colored. So then I will take this small piece because it has like that. Then I will draw the upper part. But we can also color with the crayons because it can look nice. But now I am doing it with sketch pen. It don't look like a Kinder Joy because this has spread like that. First there is dark pink, then softer. So, and this is dark because we can't color with sketch pen. We want to color with the crayons. It wants so much shading. So then I will draw the Kinder. There is written. Written the Kinder Joy, I will write the joy. Because it don't remove like that only. Because I am using with this sketch pen. you want to use the crayons. It removes so big. So now I will remove this chopper. So it can't remove nicely. This one is nice. But the letters, these two letters have so many gaps. I don't have removed this smiley. I have removed this smiley. The J is so big one because so this one look like that and this one also look like that only because the J is so big. So bye.